Hi, it's Shane here. We're at a block paved driveway this morning, fairly sizable one. You can see the state of the driveway where the car's been parked. It's got a clean patch, but it's pretty filthy. Plenty of black spots on it, plenty of moss and weeds. So we're going to be giving this a soft wash treatment after the first clean to break that black stuff down. We've got a different setup today. We're using our 22-inch surface plate, our Pro 20X slipstream machine. We've got a 30-metre reel on today for the power hose, but we're using our 450-litre Denver tank. Basically, this gives us a constant water feed. We don't want to keep stopping for a smaller bin to keep filling, because this machine displaces 18 litres of water a minute average. So bigger tank on today, which is on the trailer. We're going to start at the top as we work our way down the driveway slope, so it gives us a good access to the drain at the bottom. It's in pretty poor condition. Drains are all blocked up, so we're going to be clearing the drains out, and that's before we start. So we're going to get the machine fired up and we're going to get on.